Welcome to OrgCentral Officer Training for the 2022-2023 academic year. In this video, we are going to explore a variety of features in OrgCentral that will help you connect and engage with your members and the broader community. To start, we'll do a quick overview of accessing and navigating OrgCentral. Then we'll dive into how you can manage your group as an officer. From there, we'll explore your group website, an exciting feature that lets you engage a variety of audiences and customize your content in a way that makes sense for your organization. Finally, we'll talk about how you can connect and collaborate with your group members in the system. Let's start with an introduction to OrgCentral. OrgCentral is K-State's online student engagement and student organization management platform. Students can browse organizations, explore upcoming events, and connect with other students who share similar interests. All registered student organizations have a group in OrgCentral. Through your group, you can manage and communicate with your organization, advertise yourself to the public and K-State community, and recruit new members. You can access OrgCentral from your web browser or the K-State website. To access OrgCentral using a web browser, simply type OrgCentral.k-state.edu into the address bar. You can also access a quick link to the system via the sign-in menu on the K-State website. When visiting OrgCentral, K-State users can log into the platform to access additional content not available to the public. K-State students, faculty, and staff may use the school login button to sign in with their K-State EID. Off-campus advisors can create a special guest account to access the system. When you log in, you will be taken to the home page. This content will change throughout the year to highlight important resources and events. You can scroll down to access quick links to upcoming events, your groups, and helpful resources. On the top menu bar, you can also explore all groups and events in the system. You can even chat with other K-State users here and create group chats with your organization members or committees. Every registered student organization has a group in the system. Groups are what drive all of the action inside the platform. Groups create events, forms, documents, and more. In the left navigation menu, you can switch between important resources, such as the newsfeed and directory. You can also use the My Activity button to quickly access your groups, events you have registered for, and other features. For this video, we are going to focus on groups. As an organization officer, when you click on your group name, you will be taken directly to the dashboard. The dashboard is an administrative view that allows officers to access all the managerial functions of the group in the system. Only group members who are designated as officers will have access to manage the group and view the dashboard. When your officers access the dashboard, they are taken directly to the dashboard's activity page by default. The activity page allows you to quickly access your most recently used settings and see an overview of recent posts and activity in your group. On the left navigation menu, you can switch between all features of your organization's dashboard. Under settings, you can edit your basic group information, your contact information, access and privacy for your group, and more. Under officers, you can add or assign group members to be officers of your organization. This is who has administrative access to your group, and you can edit specific officer permissions here. Under members, you can edit the official roster for your group. You can also send emails and mobile notifications to your group members. Under emails, you can compose emails to your group members and view the open and click rates. This is how we send out the CSI Update newsletter. Using the event feature, you can create events and track attendance for your organization. You can even send out automatic reminders and post-event surveys. Surveys and forms allow you to collect information from your group or the public using a variety of tools. Website is where you can manage your group website, a primary communication tool for your organization. We'll talk more about this feature later on in the video. K-State currently does not have access to the money feature. Files is a great place to store important digital documents for your organization, such as meeting agendas or committee materials. And there are even more tools for you to explore as you get familiar with OrgCentral. Let's talk about how you can utilize OrgCentral to engage a variety of audiences. OrgCentral users can be organized into 4 categories. The public is anyone exploring OrgCentral who is not logged into the system. K-State users is anyone who is logged into OrgCentral. Group members are K-State users who are listed as members of your group. And group officers are group members who are listed as officers of your group. Each category of user has slightly different access to your group's information. This chart shows you what each type of user can see when they look at your group in OrgCentral. We just discussed the dashboard, which is only visible to people listed as officers of your organization. Now let's talk about items that everyone can see. Everyone can access your group via the groups list and see the following information: your organization's name, your group logo, your primary website, mission, membership benefits, and contacts. They can also see any sign-up instructions that you add to your group information. The majority of this information will be updated annually in the registration process. However, it can also be accessed via the dashboard under Settings. This is where you can update your group information, including your logo, mission, and membership benefits. Under Access and Privacy, this is also where you can include any sign-up instructions, such as membership fees, tryouts, auditions, or your annual recruitment timeline. Your group's contacts are officers of your organization whom you identify as main contacts. You can select who your group's main contacts are by visiting the Officers page on your dashboard. Simply click the Main Contact checkbox next to each person's name whom you wish to be a contact for your organization. I've just shown you how to update your group logo, mission, membership benefits, contacts, and sign-up instructions. Now we're going to focus on updating your group website. OrgCentral provides an easy-to-use website builder to help you connect with desired audiences. When someone clicks on your group name or website button in OrgCentral, they are taken to your primary website. By default, your primary website will be your group website through OrgCentral. This will be activated for your group once your organization's registration has been approved. All registered student organizations have an attractive, informative website through OrgCentral to help your organization connect with your members, the broader K-State community, and the general public. Websites are important recruitment, marketing, and branding tools that allow others to learn more about your organization. It is very important that you take the time to update your group website to allow visitors to learn more about your organization and consider getting involved. Officers can manage your group's website using the dashboard. Every group has a series of preset web pages created for their organization. Only your home page will be automatically published for you once your registration is approved. It will be up to your group officers to create, update, and publish all other website pages. Web pages are built using widgets that allow you to customize each page in a way that makes sense for your organization. Check out the dynamic widgets, which can pull information directly from your group settings in the dashboard. Watch out for default text. Some widgets come with default Latin text, which your organization will want to make sure you edit before publishing. Your organization may want to consider creating a few web pages that link to some of your group page features, such as your channels, forum, or videos. The Center for Student Involvement has created our own Resources for Student Organizations page to help student organizations connect to valuable information and support. In addition to the website, there are even more tools to help you connect with your members, including the news feed and mobile app. Your group information via the newsfeed is only accessible to members of your group. The newsfeed can be accessed from the OrgCentral homepage on the left navigation menu. The newsfeed is like your subscription list. At the top, you will see the community feed, which is a master feed of all the posts made by your organization and the university. Below the community feed, you will find the individual organizations that you personally are a member of. When you click on an organization, you will see a home button and a list of channels. The home button takes you to your group page. Group pages are only accessible by members of your group and are another way for them to access your group's information. Similar to your group website, you can control the access to specific content on your group page under Settings. These settings will also be mirrored on the OrgCentral mobile app. From here, officers can click Manage to get to the dashboard. The channels are where your organization members can create posts and discussion threads for your group. You can adjust your settings to only allow officers to create posts if desired. You can create multiple channels for your group and manage access to each individual channel. For example, if you wanted to have a channel for your event planning committee. In addition to the newsfeed and your website, the mobile app can be a great tool for engaging your members and maintaining an active organization. When you open the OrgCentral mobile app on your phone, the first thing you will see is the community feed, the master list of recent posts from your organizations and campus administrators. You can use the navigation menu on the bottom of the screen to access other features, including chats, events, groups, and more. Under Events, you can browse all upcoming events in the system and can use the buttons at the top of the page to change your view and filter events. When you click on Groups, you will be taken to a list of organizations that you are a member of. When you click on a group name, you will be able to access the same information that is available on your group page. Remember, your organization officers can customize the content that is visible here. When you scroll down farther, your members can quickly access your group's channels. As we've discussed, your members can engage with your organization in a variety of ways through OrgCentral. Let's discuss what this looks like in action. Consider this example scenario. 3 of your members are responsible for planning an event for your organization. Here are 5 ways they might utilize OrgCentral to achieve their goal. The 3 individuals might decide to start a group chat to help them plan a time for them to meet. They may also want to make a post in the news feed to share their event ideas and get feedback from the rest of your members. Another action they might take would be to save their event planning notes, such as contacts, budgeting information, and other details, in a Word document in the Files section of your group. Maybe this event requires your members to volunteer to help work the event. They could create a sign-up form in OrgCentral for your members to volunteer. Finally, they will want to create the event in OrgCentral and advertise it. Just by creating the event, it will show up on the events list in OrgCentral. They can also share the event link on your social media accounts, emails, and even in a K-State Today article. Planning an event is just one example of how your members can utilize OrgCentral, but there are other features your members might find useful, such as the website. Maybe your member missed your last group meeting, so they go to your website to access your files and get the meeting notes. Maybe you want to send out a monthly newsletter to your members about upcoming events and deadlines, so you use the email builder to compose and send your message. Let's say you have a programming committee that needs to be in communication with each other regularly. So they create their own committee channel to discuss things online with each other and share updates. Finally, you want to make sure your organization is communicating efficiently and effectively. So you ask all of your members to download the mobile app so that they have direct access to all of the features we've discussed today. As we near the end of our video, let's take a look back at some of the information we have covered today. OrgCentral is K-State's student engagement and student organization management platform. K-State users can access OrgCentral using their K-State EID and password. Every registered student organization has a group in OrgCentral. Group officers can manage their group utilizing the dashboard. The dashboard provides access to a variety of management features, including settings, members and officers, events, emails, surveys and forms, files, the group website, and group page and channels. Your group website will be published upon approval of your organization's registration, after which any non-officer who visits your group in OrgCentral will be taken to your group website. Be sure to update your website and manage the access to information you wish members of the public, K-State users, and group members to see. In addition to the group website, you can also engage with your members via the newsfeed, group page, channels, and the OrgCentral mobile app. In summary, OrgCentral is a great tool to help you manage your organization, communicate with your members, and connect with a variety of audiences. The Center for Student Involvement is here to help your organization maximize its potential using this technology. Thanks for watching our video today. For more information, please visit the Center for Student Involvement in OrgCentral, email us at studentinvolvement.k-state.edu, or stop by our office in the K-State Student Union. Until next time, go Cats!